Again, we're working on Sawhorses, not on the ground. It's easier to work with the product on Sawhorses and you're not going to damage it. Okay, the first step to attaching the jambs to the header on the pivot is putting a line of silicone on the top of the jamb, right across it, to give it a seal once the jamb is onto the header. Okay, now that the jamb and the header are lined up, we're going to install the 2 screws from the jamb to the header. On the opposite jamb, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to caulk with silicone the jamb to the header. On this one, we're going to also caulk the area that's notched for the header and then straight across. On it, we're going to line up the jamb with the header and install the 2 screws.